Welcome to the ideal habitat for seafood, red meat and poultry. This is where the salmon steak resides. It might look frozen on the outside. It's actually juicy and tender on the inside. However, a threat is on its way. Oh look! Here come the intruders! A notorious gang of puny bacteria are here to disturb the peace. But something is about to catch them by surprise. The cool breeze swiftly lifts them upwards into the guardian of this haven, the blue AG filter, which quickly deactivates them. And then, a bright blue LED light strikes. The blue AG Plus is capable of eliminating up to 99.99% of bacteria, keeping the salmon steak and friends safe for another day. Maybe not.
Panasonic.